One of the most important things that has to happen in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic is that we learn lessons in order to avoid a similar tragedy in the future. One of the things that has to happen is a complete review of the actions of the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization, by cheerleading for China's dictators from the start of this pandemic, not critically examining their lies, including initially that COVID-19 wasn't capable of human-to-human transmission, not criticizing China for arresting doctors in Wuhan who were trying to tell the world the truth, and criticizing almost every other country, or many other countries, for their reaction without ever criticizing China. The WHO and the China are too close together. So we need to have an inquiry after this is over. One of the concerns is that Justin Trudeau is, unlike the President of the United States, unlike the leaders of the UK, France, and Taiwan, refuses to criticize China or the WHO. In fact, there was a discussion between Canada's International Development Minister, Karina Gold, and the head of the World Health Organization, who is Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, on Monday. Global Affairs Canada put out a release on it. And Canada talked about, yeah, we have to have a post-examination of what happened. But nowhere in the conversation did Gold raise the concerns that all kinds of other countries are raising, both about the World Health Organization and China's role in spreading the pandemic. If China had started 3 weeks earlier than it did to lock down Wuhan and other cities, at a time when they knew or were very close to knowing that, because they were being told by the doctors in Wuhan that it was transmitting from person to person, there's one study that says 95% of the cases worldwide could have been avoided. The idea that Canada, when it talks to the WHO, says things like that it supports it fully, that it knows that Tedros is committed to openness and transparency, shows that, at least from Canada's perspective, there's not really going to be much of an inquiry. The concern I have is that one of the reasons is that Justin Trudeau is lobbying for a temporary seat on the UN Security Council. In any event, the point is we need to have a hard examination of what happened. It's doubtful that Canada is going to contribute to that. I'm Laurie Goldstein for the Toronto Sun. Please follow us on Facebook and our YouTube channel, and we're always interested to hear your views.